Narrator, fast, dramatic. This man walked into court for the 7th time. 7 OVI offenses. 7 chances. 7 warnings. But today, Judge O'Brien had heard enough. And what happened in the next 9 minutes left the courtroom dead silent. This is the shocking sentencing of Eric Cox. Title card pop. 7th OV. Judge snaps. Scene 1, the entrance. 0:25 to 1:15. Narrator. Eric steps into the courtroom looking exhausted, but focused. No jokes. No excuses. Just a man who knew the judge already had a file thicker than a phone book on him. The judge looks up and sighs. Judge. Mr. Cox, we've been here before. Many times. The prosecutor shakes her head. The room gets quiet. Everyone knows this isn't going to be another warning. Scene 2. The prosecutor strikes. 1:15 to 2:10. Prosecutor, firm. Your Honor, this is his 7th OVI. We are asking for 12 months in prison, a lifetime driver's license suspension, and any additional penalties the court sees fit. A murmur ripples through the courtroom. Narrator. 7 times. Not once. Not twice. 7. For many judges, this would already be over. But Judge O'Brien waits. Scene 3. Eric speaks. 2:10 to 3:30. Judge. Mr. Cox, what do you want to say before I sentence you? Eric swallows hard. This is the moment. Eric Cox. Your Honor, I'm not making excuses. I know I messed up, but I finally got answers. I was diagnosed with bipolar disorder. I've started treatment, and I know I can do better. The courtroom freezes. Even the judge looks surprised. Narrator. For the first time, Eric wasn't deflecting. He wasn't blaming the cops. He wasn't denying anything. He was admitting the truth. Scene 4. The judge questions him. 3:30 to 4:35. Judge. Why now, Eric? Why only after 7 OVI convictions? Eric looks down. Eric Cox. Because I finally hit the point where it was either get help or die. Silence. Even the prosecutor softens for a moment. Narrator. This wasn't just a legal problem anymore. This was a life spiraling out of control. Scene 5. The lawyer steps in. 4:35 to 5:20. Eric's attorney rises. Defense attorney. Your Honor, for the first time he's in treatment. He's stable. He's sober. He's working through mental health challenges he didn't understand before. He's asking for one last chance. The judge leans back. The courtroom waits. Scene 6. Judge's breakdown of the case. 5:20 to 6:10. Judge. Mr. Cox, 7 OVIs is unheard of. Do you understand how lucky you are that nobody was killed? Eric nods. Judge. I'm not convinced you're a bad person, but your addiction, your untreated mental health, and your choices are dangerous. The judge looks at the file. It's massive. Scene 7. The sentence. 6:10 to 7:25. The courtroom holds its breath. Judge slow, firm. I am sentencing you to 12 months in the Ohio Department of Corrections. Your driver's license is suspended for life, and you must continue all mental health and addiction treatment. Eric nods, not shocked, almost relieved. Narrator. There it was. A life-changing moment. A sentence meant to stop the cycle before it killed someone. But the judge wasn't done. Scene 8. The final warning. 7:25 to 8:20. Judge. Eric, if you ever get behind the wheel again, I will personally make sure the next sentence is much worse. This is your last chance. Use it. Eric wipes his eyes. Eric Cox. I will, Your Honor. Thank you. Ending. Narrator close. 8:20 to 9 o'clock. Narrator. 7 OVIs. A lifetime suspension. 12 months behind bars. But also, a man finally getting answers. Finally getting treatment. Finally trying to break the cycle. Was the judge too harsh? Too lenient? Or exactly right? Comment below. What do you think? And if you want more real courtroom moments, hit subscribe. More stories are coming. Fade out.